for joining me today in Bloom's Kitchen. I'm going to be bringing you along while I go shopping for a new set of pots. I usually like to do this once every 2 years. And I'm going to be showing you a recipe I've been craving. I've been craving starch and some black soup. But the base this time around is going to be made with peanuts. For those of you who have not tried peanut soup, check it out on my channel. You'll be sure to love it. If today's your first time joining me, welcome to the family. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Over now to Canadian Tire and go get some pots. Thank you. So I'm at Canadian Tire. I'm going to get a new set of pots today. I'm looking at Heritage The Rock set, 119. Originally this set is $6.49. So I like to buy them when they're on sales. So there are different sets for the Heritage The Rock. Okay, this is the zero. This is the copper essentials. And then you have the stainless steel. I prefer non-stick. It's $6.99. And then you have the Heritage Rock Diamond. And then the Heritage Elite. That is $1,000. And this other one. So today I'm going to go for the non-stick Heritage The Rock Copper Essentials. And that is what it looks like. So the display here shows you the different ones. Okay, so I'll get it and then I'll unbox when I get home and then we'll give it a try. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Like right out of the box, really beautiful, gorgeous. It looks durable and strong. It's The Rock, and this set is called Copper Essentials. As you saw in the store, they have different names for different sets, and this one comes in 10 piece. The cover counts, so we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and the biggest one here is 5 quarts. The smallest is 1.5, and I'm going to be using this to show you how to make starch. I usually like to make my swallow and other things with a non-stick because that way it's way easier to wash. And then the saucepan or the fry pan here is quite deep, and then it has its own cover as well. So this is Heritage The Rock Copper Essentials series. It says nothing sticks, never warps, and lasts longer. So you'll be seeing a lot of this on my channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Over now to what we're going to be preparing for today. Thank you. So for our peanut black soup today, I'm going to be showing you the basic essentials. These are not all the ingredients I'll be using today. So just make sure you watch the video to the end. And as I go, I will just list whatever ingredient I'm going to use. So for this today, I'm going to be using assorted meat. You can use any meat of choice. I'm using the small snails and the jumbo snails. I think this is the applewood snails, if I'm not mistaken. And then I'm going to be adding some fresh mackerel. For this soup, I prefer fresh to fried. It adds a little bit more depth in flavor. And I'm just using regular roasted peanuts as the base for the black soup. Some people like to use cream of palm fruit. I have a video of that already on my channel if you want to check it out. For my black soup, I'm using leaves that are blended originally from Edo State. So this one is the bitter one, and this one is the 3-in-1. It has like the uziza, ewewe, and the scent leaf. So I just keep this in a bottle, and then I'll add a little bit to the peanut when I'm blending them. The swallow of choice today is going to be tapioca starch. I will show you a foolproof way to measure your water correctly so you have the right consistency of starch. Now, if you've watched my videos before, you know that I like to spice my meat a lot with fresh herbs and vegetables. So these ones I've harvested from my garden. I'm going to insert a video link here to show you. If you haven't seen any of my garden series, you're missing a lot. Go right now after this video and watch it and make sure you're growing something. It's so fun to grow and eat what you grow. So here I have my leeks. These are the ones I planted from the one I cut off from the store-bought leek. And here I have basil, looking really beautiful and gorgeous. I'm going to be using some mustard leaves. These are all used as herbs. And then I have some cilantro also from my garden, and then some spring onions. I'm going to be using 3 Scotch bonnet pepper for this soup. Feel free to dial the pepper to the level of heat you want. And then for my snails, I'm going to be washing them with this rock. It's called alum. If you can't find alum where you live, you can use the green lime or the lemons with some salt. Some people also wash with gari. So these are the basic ingredients I'll be using for my soup today. Over now, we're going to start with pressure cooking my assorted meat in the pressure cooker. The snail I prefer to cook on the stove because I want it to stay crunchy. Don't forget now to like, share, subscribe. Thank you.
Didn't know that the honeymoon's just a phase. Now I understand, I learned it firsthand with you. Thought it would last forever. Oh, you should have loved me better. Should have loved me better, 'cause we might still be together before we split up. Always believed we would never. Till the afternoon, till the afternoon. That was when the moon started to become blue. Oh, so I surrendered, 'cause I couldn't.
Here we have it. Our peanut-based black soup is ready. The starch, the 1 pack of starch gave me 4 wraps, so I just put it here for your reference. So this soup is really awesome. It tastes amazing. Give it a try. Use any meat combination of choice. And if you've never tried starch, I encourage you to also try it. The Heritage, the Rock Copper series did an amazing job. You see, for my starch, nothing was stuck to the pot. It came out really clean. So this is going to be a wonderful addition to my collection. And if you haven't subscribed, this would be a fantastic time to do so. Until next time when I bring you another exciting recipe, have a blessed and wonderful day. Thank you.